Hey, you guys, Coach Max here, your director of Forex trading here at our wonderful company, Epic, and I'm super fired up and excited to present you this brand new groundbreaking opportunity. So here we have it. Shouldn't you be first at least once in your life? How many times in our lives are we tired of coming in at the bottom, tired of being at the bottom, tired of having our backs up against the wall? So let's talk about it here. Here is our brand new company, Epic, which stands for Exceptional People, Incredible Compensation. We are a Forex trading platform. Okay, we're going to teach you how to really excel inside the financial markets. All right, here's another view of the company. Epic Trading International, INC is the official name for it. Forex for a new generation. Okay, here goes another logo we have here. All right, Epic, the world's ultimate trading and lifestyle community. All right, so let's talk about our Epic leadership here at the company. We're gonna show you guys who is your leadership. All right, so we have Mr. David McCovey, who's the founder over here, okay? Spencer Iverson is our president. Mark Sterling is our VP of sales. We have David Lisiaga, who's our VP of business development. Jonathan Green, who's our global master ambassador, and myself, Coach Max, the director of Forex training, okay? So what is going to be the difference here at Epic? What is the Epic advantage that you can take advantage of when you join our company? So we have the top of the line data security. Okay, we don't want your information being leaked out there. We don't want to have any website issues. So we're taking care of that all on day one. We have a comprehensive, fun, and professional Forex training. If you ever followed myself, Ryan DeFreitas, and any of my dream team traders, you know that we like to keep the environment super fun and fresh for you guys. We like to keep the environment whole, and we like to have a good time while we're learning. Very important, you will be paid on time. Okay, so you won't be over here experiencing, back pay issues or anything like that. You will be paid on time, and we're making sure of that from day one. Okay, there will be accurate back office tracking and reporting. So when you have team members that are coming on, okay, our new scholars, as we're gonna call them, coming into the program, you guys will accurately be able to see and run your business. This is very important when you start a business in network marketing. We will have a strong culture and frequent communications. One of the things that I pride myself on here at Epic is that our leadership team, from the founder down to me, we make sure that we communicate strongly with the field. We're gonna make sure that you guys hear from us, that you guys see our faces as we build this business. We're priding ourselves on taking care of our leaders, okay? So there will never be a time where you come into the company and you feel like you won't be heard. We're gonna take care of you and make sure that you're heard and that your people and your teams are definitely taken care of. We will have the product available in multiple languages within 60 days. So that means from the time of this video till about the end of October, we're gonna try to make sure that the content comes out in multiple languages so that we're appealing to a global network. Okay, we will maintain effective compliance. So that doesn't mean that, you won't get online and, you're flashy and you're saying the wrong things and not dropping the proper disclaimers. We're going to make sure that we guide you in this process to have effective compliance for the whole company, because we definitely want to protect this house. We will have Madison Avenue quality marketing and branding campaigns. So that means that we're gonna make sure that we, as leadership, create marketing content for you to grow your business. This no longer has to be something that you have to worry about if you don't want to, all right? We already have a strong social media presence, but we wanna make sure that we maintain a strong social media presence. So right at this moment, we're advising you, when you make your post online, just use the hashtag Epic September, okay, and hashtag September to remember. All right, so those are the hashtags that we're using online because people are going to know about this company. All right, so what can you expect in our training, our Epic training? We're gonna have live sessions, daily signals, Epic University, which I'm super fired up and excited about. I personally have my hand in building the university for our scholars. I'm super excited about this. We're going to make sure that we lay out a very well-rounded platform when it comes to Forex training. So that's your beginner, your intermediate, your advanced training, and really talking about strategies here, how to enter the market, how to maintain your trades, you know, how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account, how to get on our web browser software. All of those things will be broken down within the training. We have an interactive trading community. One of the things that I'm really big on is homework, PDFs, you know, quizzes, just really helping everybody fully understand the content. Our trainers are fully prepared to come forward and spend as much time as necessary to make sure that you understand this Forex content. I'm very excited to announce that we have an elite team of traders that are 6, 7, and 8-figure traders that are coming forward, and we're all going to come together and just make this platform wonderful. I'm super excited about that. The epic lifestyle. So one of the things that we want to really showcase here is that, you know, we can no longer live in a life where we are afraid to show off our lifestyles. We're going to do this, of course, in a humble manner. We're going to do it ethically, and we're going to remain compliant, but we definitely want to showcase that we are changing our lifestyle. Okay, so that's going to be a big deal here at Epic, and we want people to be proud of what they're building. We want people to be proud of the empire that they are creating. Okay, Epic rewards. One of the things that I love about our founder is that he really instilled in me that we want to make sure that when you get to a certain level, you are rewarded for these things. So we're going to do the 6-figure rings, the 7-figure rings. We're going to do paid vacations, paid travel. We're going to do the Rolex watches and many more bonuses. So I'm very, very excited about the bonuses at our company. One of the exciting things we have is Epic Charity. Okay, Epic Charity. Epic Charity is a part of our organization, a part of our university, a part of our business, where we're actually going to take a portion of our income and give back to the community. Okay, so there's going to be details on how we're able to actually give back. I have a firm belief that when you give back, okay, when you sow seeds, that you reap the rewards from those seeds, that you receive blessings when you bless other people. So we're going to hold a standard as a company and give back all over the world. And I'm super excited about this. Okay. The epic lifestyle. So we're going to have merchandise that you guys can wear, hoodies, t-shirts, face masks, mugs, and other branded items that you can purchase and really show off your new business. Epic Kids. Epic Kids. I'm super excited about Epic Kids. Everybody is excited about Epic Kids. What we're going to do, we're starting a program within our program to actually prepare the next generation of millionaires. Why not give children, okay, from ages, you know, the middle school age to the high school age, an opportunity to actually learn a skill set, learn things about financial literacy that help them get to the next level. It's time that we prepare our youth for the future, and we will be doing that collectively together as a company, together as leaders, to prepare our youth with this knowledge, especially when it comes to the financial markets. So I'm personally excited about that. I hope you are too. So what is the epic march to 100,000? So one of the things that we want to do here is that we want to make sure that we launch, and we launch big. Okay, we want to enroll 100,000 people in the next 30 days, guys. 100,000 people, and I know that we can do it. I know because this is a company that I'm personally calling home. This is a company that I'm ensuring that you, I, your family, that everybody can have a part of. So I'm super excited, and I want you guys to know that we're launching September 1st, 2020 at $20 for the whole entire month of September. Guys, this is why we're using the hashtag September to remember. In the middle of this pandemic, And in the middle of the times that we are going through right now, we really want to help families. We really want to help change lives. And I know that collectively, if we come together, that we're going to be able to fully launch and march to 100,000 scholarly customers. Okay, let's talk about it real quick, because you know, a lot of you all may be coming from other companies, a lot of you all may be coming from other opportunities, and you know, we want to talk about why do companies fail and why ours won't fail, right? So most companies fail because they're undercapitalized. They simply do not have enough money to run the business, or they didn't fully prepare themselves to foresee some issues that come forward when you launch a business. Companies fail because they have poor merchant processing, okay? If you know anything about merchants, they're very difficult to deal with. They're very difficult to obtain. When you don't have the right merchants, you know, that's gonna affect the way you get paid, and it also affects the way the company get paid. So this is one of the reasons why companies fail. They also fail because lack of executive leadership. So in order to build a legacy company, you need leaders who are experts in that field. Okay, so again, we have a team that I'm super proud of. A lot of the names in our executive leadership board have been in the industry for years, decades, and they have a track record of successfully launching businesses. They know what they know, and they're bringing their expertise to the table, okay? And lack of culture, all right? You have to build a culture around your business, a positive culture, one that you can be proud of, one that your family can be proud of. And that's something that we are absolutely 100% doing here at Epic. So I'm super excited about that. So it's time to launch the business now. So we're running the Epic pre-launch campaign starting September 1st, 2020. We're gonna do 40,000 people. This is at bare minimum for the company. This is our goal, to lock in their spot at $19.99, okay? The executive leadership, corporate, other leaders in the field have committed to doing at least 4 live Zoom presentations daily. So all you have to do is simply invite people to these Zoom calls, and we're gonna help you get your people locked into Epic, okay? We're gonna go live and launch all of our academy, everything that we have to offer on October 1st, 2020. At that time, you're going to see a lot of people hitting ranks. And so I'm going to ask you now, it's launch time. How many people are you bringing over to Epic? On October 1st, 2020, it's going to be $99 to get started with us. So this is why we're excited about this pre-launch, because you can lock your spot in for $19.99. Okay, corporate has already committed to everyone that hits ambassador and above. We're going to do an amazing retreat in Mexico. Those announcements will come soon, but we're excited because we want to celebrate our launch. Okay, so I'm letting you guys know before it even happens that we are absolutely doing an amazing retreat in Mexico. Okay, so here is the promo. I've been sharing this on social media. You can get with your leaders, you can get with whomsoever shared this video with you. 40,000 people in 40 days locking your spot. Shouldn't you be first at least once in your life? The first person to actually get inside this opportunity, the first person to actually lock in with this company, this ground floor opportunity. Okay, again, exceptional people, incredible compensation. So this is going to be floating around social media. Please remember to use your hashtags September to remember and Epic September. So let's talk about the money, the Epic compensation plan. Okay, so we have 3 different levels, so to speak, that you can hit over here, really 4. So you have Founder 500, Founder 1000, Founder 2000, Founder 5000. So let's talk about that. You only need 3 personal team members to bring you through the entire compensation plan. Okay, we do have a 3 and free. We have total team members right here. It shows you how many team members you need. Okay, your balance. So we have a 40%, 40%, 20% business. All right, and it shows you your weekly pay and your monthly pay. All right, at Founder 1000, we have 30 total team members. Here's what you need there. This is your weekly pay, your monthly pay. So we have $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, $5,000 a month. Ambassador 10, Ambassador 20, and Ambassador 50. Here are the requirements, okay? 500 people, 1,000 people, 2,500. It shows you what you need in each leg to get there and what your weekly pay is and what your monthly pay is, okay? Icon 100, Icon 200, Icon 500. These are the 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 ranks, okay? And then we have the level of Epic, all right, which is the $1 million a month rank. Epic rewards, again, those bonuses that I spoke about a little bit earlier, those are going to be the things that's going to be coming when you hit these levels. So each one of these levels, it'll be the Rolex watches, the paid vacations, other bonuses that are coming to the table, that'll be here. The rings when you hit 6 figures and when you hit $1 million. We'll have that information coming out. So what time is it? It's time to build our business. Okay, it's time to build our business. So I'm super excited. You guys, this is a power of 3. Okay, this is the power of 3. You're going to build your business here. Okay, building rule, 40% of your total volume in your leg 1, 40% of total volume in your leg 2, 20% of volume in your leg 3. So now's the time for you to actually lock in and say, okay, I'm going to put Steve, Mary, and Joe. That's going to be my top 3 key people that actually go hard, and I'm going to plug them in, okay? So Steve, Mary, and Joe. So right now you're going to get your people and you're going to call up your top key leaders, the people that you know that want to run, they're excited, they want to get people locked in for that $19.99, okay? And you're going to contact them. And then they're going to get their 3 people, okay? And then they're going to get their people, and as you guys launch, you're going to have everything structured out before launch day. Before launch day, okay? So I'm super, super excited, guys. You want to go ahead, and I highly recommend that you get at least 10 people. Can you get 10 people? Because let's look at the compensation plan really quickly. If I got my 10, that means I'm coming out the gate at $500 a month. Out the gate. And if, you know, we have a few days before launch, so you literally can get your 10 now and they can go get their 10. So let's say, what if we could step into our business with at least 75 people? Would $2,000 a month change your life right out the gate? What if, you know, those 75 went and got their 10? Do you guys see how you can come into this business in September? And when we run and actually open up the doors completely on October 1st, you can be at Ambassador 10. You can be at Founder 5,000, guys. Right? If you can dream big, you could be Icon 100 out the gate if you do this correctly. All right, you guys, so I'm super excited. I'm super fired up, okay? Something big is coming. Something big is coming. Something big is coming. Shouldn't you be first at least once in your life, guys? You heard it here first. This is your girl, Coach Max, okay? The director of Forex training here at Epic. And I can't wait to see you on the other side, hitting the rank of Epic, hitting the rank of Ambassador, hitting the rank of Founder, guys. I'm so, so excited. I love you all. Get this information out. Let's build, let's build, let's build. Peace.